All right, guys, here we are at Knott's Berry Farm riding Xcelerator. How you guys doing back there? All right, we're gonna launch from like 0 to a bazillion miles an hour. And oh God, they're giving us instructions. Oh my God, here we go. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my God! Some crazy airtime right at the top. Oh man, this is an awesome roller coaster. I love it. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Woo. That is such a rush. Oh man. How is it back there for you guys? You guys want to ride again? Yeah. Of course we do. Oh my God. Xcelerator kicks ass. It's at Knott's Berry Farm. You have to come ride it. If you want to ride it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Write some comments down below. Tell us how much you love theme park review and roller coasters. Tell us your favorite roller coaster. Tell us why you want to come to Knott's. And I am completely out of breath now, and I cannot talk anymore because of Xcelerator. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye now. Bye. 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 All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna take a backseat ride on Xcelerator. If you thought the front was awesome, wait till you get in the back! Oh my God! Oh, this ride! Still one of the fastest accelerations of any roller coaster. You have to come down to Knott's and ride it, and you have to leave a comment in the comment section. And comment section, what the hell's a session? Comment section! And leave a thumbs up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Everybody at the front of the train, how'd you guys like it? All righty. Thank you, I love you too. You're my favorite. BFFs, kisses.
God, you guys are making me sick.